The most important part I'm going to tell y'all about is the state of the market. So the state of the market right now is actually looking like it's kind of digging its way out the hole that has been happening. Something to watch coming up. I don't know if y'all paid attention. I'm just a nerd, right? So I be paying attention to stuff, and you can see that the Chinese market trends is actually moving the same way that the stock markets are. Like the U.S. stocks, right? So, but China just struck a new deal with Iran. That probably don't mean a lot to y'all, but you got to think about that. Iran is always beefing with the United States. It's a known thing, right? So China and USA are beefing over them changing the regulations. That's why you see a lot of dropping of Chinese companies, because people were getting out of stock because the U.S. was threatening to delist them. Delist them mean you can't sell on this block no more, cuz. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't sell, no more sell on this block. I catch you on this block. You feel me? It's lit for you, right? So, but think about this. They are now have a 25-year plus plan with Iran. Start looking into the biggest Chinese stocks. I'm gonna give you 7 of them right now, right? Hey, what's good? For sure. So the top 7 Chinese stocks to look at would be Alibaba. That's a stock where they, like they sell goods. So like they're kind of like a Wish kind of stock, whatever, like Wish, Nio, or what do you want to call it, Baidu, and of course on the replay I'll have all of these listed. JD.com is another one. Bilibili is another one. Trip.com and NetEase, right? Those are some of the top Chinese stocks to look into. I'm not saying go out and buy those stocks. I'm saying watch those stocks, because that's going to be like their big 7 on how good their stock market is doing, and we're going to be the ones who see the wave after that. How does that make sense, right? Let me tell you how, right? They were the ones who got the COVID first, right? They went through all that type of stuff. They're trying to dig themselves out. They were the first ones who start seeing drops in deaths and stuff like that. So they're going to start opening up sooner than us. So you'll see how they're up. Sorry, YouTube. You'll see how their economy reacts to them reopening, and it's going to be indicative or common or just like what's going to happen with ours. So please pay attention to the Chinese stock market as well.